Malas naman yun.
Listen. On top of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of us right now. Hit the shit. Damage here. Listen. Spread now. Listen. Bro, what's inside? Just blow inside. Listen, again. Hit some in the east. Spread now. Defensive here. Fully base out. Listen. Walk into them now. Listen, Bullies guys in the west now. On me. Hit the shit. Bullies guys on me. Listen, on me. Listen, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. So the repair. So any damage. We need to connect. Listen, spread now. They grenade so pop your potions here. Heal up. Listen, blow what's inside now. Just blow what's inside. Blow what's inside. Listen, blow against the left behind. Don't overstand. Listen. They're gonna hit someone in the choke, okay? Listen. Spread now. They're gonna turn the choke. Listen, on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive swing engage your southeast. On the choke. You're in the choke. Defensive swing engage. Listen. He's up. Listen. Bullies guys what is left behind. Listen, Bullies guys are left behind. Listen. Only sit on the east side here. Yo, come. Get away from the west side. Listen. They grenade soon. Listen. Come back west. Listen. Bullies guys on the west side. Yo, full ball on the west side. Listen, on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of us now. Hit the shit on top of us. Listen. Spread the choke. Spread out. Defensive now. Defense. Nice defense. Listen. Walk into them. Just again, come back. Listen, on me now. Follow me. Southwest side. Southside of me. Listen. Hit by the wall, okay? Listen. On me. Just follow me. They're gonna hit soon. Listen, on me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. Listen, on this fucking defense. Listen. Respect damage. Listen. Spread now. Listen. Come to me. Follow me here. You follow me here. Come on side. Please don't dive yet. Listen. Come on side. Walk west now. Listen. On the east side, okay? In 5. Listen. 4. Listen. Defensive now. 3, 2, 1. Dive on the east side now. Hit the shit on the east side. On me. I need more damage here. Listen. Just show me. Listen, bro. What's inside? Ball inside. Did you have second engage? Listen. Come back here. Just again, come back. Come back west. Spread now. Listen. Come back. Come north west and spread. Listen. Hit soon. They get soon. Spread now. Away from the west. Listen. Push to southeast here. Southeast side on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Listen in the back line. Defensive swing engage. Listen. Pull up. You can come back.
Ni-engage ako.
Southeast itong ano to, regroup
What
tong
the
nasa akin
fuck?
nasa pinga.
Okay. Listen. Hold them up. Yo, come west side here. Come west side.
Wait na ng river.
Regrouping going towards us, right? Going towards us.
Yawa.
Nauna sila sa akin
Got you. Hold them up. Yo, listen. For you. Okay? Listen. Come back here. Listen. Kiss the bus. Just kiss the bus. Okay? Listen. Just keep walking bus. They're gonna hit. Yo, listen. They're gonna get some by the east side. Okay? Listen. Keep coming west. Keep coming west. Got you. Come west. Listen. They're gonna try to full push us. Okay? Listen. Come west. Just come west. Listen on me again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of us now. Hit the shit on us. Got you.
Sandwich yan. Pull out ka pa southwest.
Keep coming west. Listen. Keep pushing west.
Yung regroup ha.
Got you. Come north side. Come west. Defensive now. Fully base. Listen. Keep pushing west. Come northeast on the choke now. Yeah, defensive here. Yeah, listen. Come up the choke. We gotta get sandwich here. Listen. Keep pushing northeast. Where's my defensive here? Listen. Keep pushing northeast here. Yo, dead. What the fuck?
Dead na rin ako.
What's inside? Bro, what's inside? They're full brawl, man. Listen. Keep cutting here. Come west. Come inside. Listen on me again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just kill this fucking death touch to us, man. We have damage here.
Yeah.
Just pull out.
Wala tayong damage.